So you have Git Bash installed and you just installed Windows Terminal so you can have all of your prompts and shells in one app, and it didn't add Git Bash to its configuration. So how do you add the Git Bash shell to Windows Terminal? Let's find out. Hey everyone, Derek here at Bitulent. Windows Terminal is a terrific tool to wrap all of your shells and prompts in one tabbed app, and you'd like to add Git Bash to it as well. So what are we waiting for? Let's get bashing. Let's go ahead and launch Windows Terminal. And by clicking on our drop-down menu, you can see that we do not have Git Bash added as one of our shells. To add it, click on Settings to open up the Windows Terminal Settings file. Scroll down until you locate the Profiles attribute, and then find the List attribute underneath it. The values in this attribute are all of the currently configured prompts and shells in your Windows Terminal app. In order to add a new shell, we simply need to add a new configuration to this list of values. You can add it in manually, or duplicate one of the existing configurations and update the copied values. I'm going to copy in the configuration for a default installation of Git Bash on Windows 10. You will need to ensure that the GUID value is unique compared to the other GUID values for the other shells in this configuration. Verify the command line location for the Bash executable, as well as the icon. Set the name as you prefer to see it in each of your tabs when opening it up, and optionally set some of the appearance settings to suit your visual taste. Save and close the settings file, and in the drop-down menu you will see that Git Bash has been added and is immediately usable. And now you have Git Bash in your Windows Terminal app. I hope you enjoyed our video today, and if you did, please like it and subscribe to our channel so you will catch all our helpful, tippy, and tricky bits of info. Thanks, and we'll catch you later.